So right now I am in St. Thomas. This is my view. Is so beautiful. I'm just sitting down and I want to teach you guys, well, teach you. I want to tell you guys, this will be a tour guide. Let me just get a tour guide. Everything you need to know about this beautiful island. Now, this is my second time out here and it's so amazing. Unfortunately, it's been a lot of rain since I've been out here. This is beautiful. That's why I'm so appreciative. Cause I'm like, this weather, the last couple of days it's been raining and it's still fine because when it rains, it only rains about an hour. But still, who wants to be in the rain? Oh, my hair itches. So let's talk about the flight. Let's start by everything. We're gonna start with the flight. It's okay. So I took a red eye. I feel like that's a good way to come out here, taking a red eye, coming in a date. So for instance, I was scheduled to come out here on Monday. We left Sunday night and arrived here at 1 o'clock on Monday. So red eyes, I feel like it's better. It's better speed for me. It's not like a rush, you know what I mean? Like, I prefer this than arriving the day of. I know that it doesn't make any sense, but it makes sense to me. That's all that matters. It makes sense to me. Now, hotels. I feel that this resort is perfect for me personally because it's just a whole vibe. Now, there's other resorts that's near here that is more so for older people, couples, you know what I mean, low key. This one is better for me because it's right in the middle. Like, it's walking distance to the beach that I like to go to, and it's beautiful, you know what I mean? Like, it's huge. They have carts available. The carts here are available 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. They don't have room service every day. It's an extra fee, but that's fine. I can clean up after myself. It's not a big deal. What else is a good thing? Oh, they have two pools. The infinity pool, the pool that's right next to where my room is amazing because they have a bar inside of the, like, you can swim up to the bar inside the water. I love it. What else is this? Yeah, and then the views, you know what I mean? It's amazing. Now, oof, my arm is itching, baby. Okay, and I need to get dressed too. Now, the nightlife. When I say when you want to find something to do out here, the best thing is to do your research, going on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to find where to go. And mind you, I'm itching like this because I'm having tattoo removal. It's a whole little thing. So when I mean this thing itches so bad, it itches. So that's the perfect place for you to find where to go. So last night we went to the Zanzibar, and I had so much fun. Okay, it was the authentic Caribbean. I was with the locals. Okay, I was with locals, and mind you, if you haven't seen that vlog, it's up right now. The people I came with, like, I overslept. They left me, but I told them to leave because they was like, what do you want me to do? I'm like, just leave. It's okay. I didn't want them to wait longer. I got a taxi. The taxi, that, like I said, is good and bad about everywhere you go. I know they were trying to get over me. The first person the taxi that I called wanted to charge me $60. I think that's ridiculous. And then another guy came and then he said I can, you know, give me 40. So I'm like, okay, I'd rather just do that. It was late already, but I feel like that's expensive. $40 here to that bar, and it was about I say about 15-20 minutes. This island's not big, mind you, so it was about 15-minute drive, and he charged me $40. I think that's I don't know, but whatever, I paid it. But yeah. So that's the place you can go to. At Koki Beach, they have So they have events there. They have live music. No, let me stop lying. They don't have live music. They have a DJ, a live DJ. They have a DJ. Sometimes they have a theme night. Like I said, last time I was here, they had Caribbean night there. Amazing. Okay, it was amazing. So that's in this place. Oh, the Red Hook. So it's literally about 10 minutes away where we're at, and then they have strips of bars, a strip club. It's a vibe down there. It's a vibe at the Red Hook, and I feel like that's more so for tourists. But like I said, when I go out the country, oh my god, I don't know why I say out the country, because it's not out the country. When I vacation Caribbean island, anywhere I go, I like to see everything. I want to be with the I want to stay with the tourists, like I'm with the tourists, but I like to party with the locals. I want to see how y'all turn up. Okay, I do feel like this place is safe, and they know that we're not from here. I think that's like a common thing, like they know we're not from here, so I do feel safe here. What is another place we can go turn up, party? Last year when I was out here, I befriended a woman who is from this island. She was so cool, good vibes, and she showed us around a lot of different places. That's how I knew about a lot of places where the locals travel, will party at. So I'm saying, like, if you want to travel here, it's amazing. I feel like you should. And literally 30 minutes away from here is St. John. So if you want to travel to different places, this is perfect place to go. So St. Thomas, St. John's, even St. Is it Croix? I know I'm saying it wrong. Crocs. Okay, anyway, so all the islands are really close to each other. So you can take a ferry, a 30-minute ferry to each island if you want to as well. So I'm like, that's knocking two birds in one stone. But we're not out here that long to do that travel. But like, we're not out here that long for that travel. You know what I mean? Like, I would love to go to different islands to experience that, but like I said, we're not here for that long. If I was here for a week, one day out of that week, I would plan to go to a different island. That would be it. But anyway, so that is it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it below. And one more thing, you do not need a passport to come out here. If you don't have a passport and you want to travel and you want the experience of going out the country, this is it. You know what I mean? Because I feel like I'm out the country, but I'm still in America. It's so crazy. Yeah. That's it.